Okay, so here we have this 1/3, right? I need to get rid of that. So I'm going to multiply by the reciprocal, which is 3/1, okay? So this is now 3/1 times 1/3 y. And then on the other side, I can just do 3. Everything gets multiplied by 3. So negative 1x plus 3 times 2. So normally, before we were dividing everything, this time we've multiplied everything, right? So we multiplied once, twice, 3 times because we had a fraction. So 1/3 times 3, those multiply out to just 3/3, which is 1. So we have y equals 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. Don't forget the x. Plus 3 times 2 is 6. Okay? So before we were dividing everything. This time, since it's a fraction, we multiplied everything. So now let's fill in our table. Labels x, y, the expression negative 3x plus 6. Pick our x values. We're all going to use the same ones. 0, 1, 2. Plug them in. Negative 3 parentheses plus x. We are substituting a 0 for x. 0 times anything is 0. And 0 plus 6 is 6. So our first ordered pair, when x is 0, y is 6. Next, we're plugging in a 1. Negative 3 parentheses plus 6. Plug in a 1. Negative 3 plus 6 gives you a positive 3. Our second ordered pair, when x is 1, y is 3. Last one, negative 3 parentheses plus 6. Plugging in a 2 for the x. Negative 6 plus 6 is 0. Our final ordered pair, when x is 2, y is 0. Let's graph this line. 0, 6, start at the origin. I don't move for x because it's 0. 6 is positive. I move up right here. 1, 3, start at the origin. 1 to the right, 3 up. 2, 0, start at the origin. 2 to the right. Don't move for the 0. Connect it. Make it a line that's long, that has arrows. This one's a negative slope because it's going down and right. Right? Positive goes up as you move to the right. Negative goes down as you move to the right. So do the next 2 practice problems, watch the video, and then the last 2 and watch the video.